You might need a yoga strap or a towel for this evening's practice. So let's begin. Please come and sit on your mat in a comfortable seated position, however that may be. Let's start with a few neck stretches. Place your right hand on your left collarbone, left hand on top. Pull your hands down towards the floor. Drop your head back. Lean your head slightly to the right diagonally and feel a good stretch along the side of your neck. And keep breathing here. And just feel that wonderful stretch. Then inhale, come back to center. Same on the opposite side. Left hand on your right collarbone, right hand on top. Hands pull down, drop your head back. Lean your head diagonally to the left side. Feel a good stretch along the side of your neck. Remember to breathe. Try to relax your neck. Feel this wonderful stretch. Inhale, come back into center. Release your hands down to the side. Drop your chin to your chest. Inhale, roll your head halfway up to the right. Exhale, down to center. Inhale, halfway up to the left. Exhale, down to center. Inhale, halfway up to the right. Feel a good stretch here at the side of your neck. Exhale, down to center. Inhale, roll up to the left. Again, feeling a great stretch here. Exhale, down to center. Last time. Inhale, up to the right. Exhale, down to center. Inhale, up to the left. And exhale, down to center. And then inhale, roll your head up. And you might need your towel or your yoga strap here, so get it ready. Extend both arms out to the side. Bring your right arm up over behind your head. Left hand comes down and around. So if you can grab your fingers here, go for it. If this is a bit too intense, you can hold the strap or the towel in both hands. Lean your head gently back towards your arms, keeping your chin parallel to the floor. And if you want to intensify the stretch, you can try pulling your hands together. So let's breathe here. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So keep breathing here at your own pace. 4, 8, breathing. And concentrate on your breath and feel a deep stretch here in your shoulders. And slowly release your arms. If you're using a towel or a strap, place that down to the floor. If you want to give your arms a shake out, go for it. Release any tension or stress there, and let's do the same on the opposite side. So extend both your arms out to the side. Bring your left arm up and over, right hand down and behind. Again, you can use a strap or a towel here, or if you can grab your fingers, go for that too. And let's breathe here. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And breathe here at your own pace. 4, 8. Breathing. Focus on your breath and feel this deep stretch in your shoulders. If you want to intensify, you can bring your hands slightly together. Okay, and release your arms here. If you're using a strap or a towel, place that down to the floor, out the way. And then give your arms a shake out here. Release any tension, any stress. If you want to do the same with your legs, you can extend both your legs out and give them a shake out here. And just feel a nice release of tension. Come lie down on your mat, face up, bend your knees, soles of the feet to the floor, and then open your legs out to the side. Bring the soles of your feet together to make a diamond shape here with your legs in Sleeping Butterfly. You can have your hands over your head and grab your elbows if it feels good, or you can relax your arms out to the side. And let's breathe here. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And keep breathing here at your own pace. 4, 8. Breathing. And try to relax your legs, your arms, and concentrate on your breath. And then let's come relax in Shavasana. So extend both your legs out. Have them at a comfortable width. If your arms are over your head, bring your arms down to your side, palms facing up. Again in a comfortable position. So I want you to relax as much as possible. So let go, release any tension, any stress, and let's breathe here. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So relax your breath here. Bend your knees, bringing the soles of your feet to the floor. Gently roll your knees to the side. Turn your body to the side. Place your hand under your head as a pillow. Nice and slowly, taking your time. With your palms, push against the floor and come sit up in a comfortable seated position. Bring your hands to your heart center. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, open out to the side, back to your heart center. Inhale, reach your arms out to the side, all the way up to the top. And exhale down to your heart center. And thank you so much for joining this evening yoga class. And please comment hashtag English yoga or hashtag 英語でヨガ so I know that you've made it all the way to the end of this video. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so it helps support me so that I can help support you with your English yoga practice. So thank you for joining. 参加してくれてありがとうございます。